is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll state clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I travel each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exception. I played each careful pose, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure when I bit off more than I could chew, but through it all, when there's no trust, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all and stood it all and did it my way. I've loved, I've laughed and cried, I had my fear, my share of losing, and now, where's this inside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, oh not to me, I did it my way. For what is a man, what has he got, if not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and on one who knows their remote chose. I took the blows and did it my
Próximo número